Mon général Michel RUKUNDA MAKANIKA, tu es mort le 19 février. Tu es mort comme tu as vécu, sans lamentation, sans plainte, fier et digne, toujours en uniforme, en luttant pour la liberté, la survie des compatriotes. De ton vivant, tu n'as pas laissé place au désespoir, aucun répit au fatalisme et aucune trêve au renoncement. Tu t'es toujours battu pour une cause juste, une cause noble au nom et pour les comptes des compatriotes, victimes d'une guerre injuste d'extermination, d'épuration ethnique. Tu es mort pour ceux qui tu aimes, pour la patrie, pour les Congolais, pour l'honneur plus que pour la gloire, pour la mémoire plus que pour le confort. Voilà, c'est en quoi tu croyais, cher Afande. Tu resteras le modèle à suivre dans cette quête de la paix des Congolais opprimés par son propre pays. Tu as réussi ces dernières années non seulement à impulser la réconciliation de différentes communautés dans les hauts plateaux, mais aussi, et surtout, tu as réussi à transmettre le flambeau aux milliers des jeunes nationalistes prêts à achever la tâche qui était la tienne vers une paix durable au Congo démocratique. Jeanne d'Arc disait, bataillez, Dieu vous donnera la victoire. C'est vrai, cette guerre tu l'as gagnée et l'ennemi le sait. Cher Michel, pour ton dernier voyage nous disons bon vent, bonne mer.
To do with nobody know it. So we are crying for her. Please, anyone who can take an action, please don't listen to us for nothing. We have been cried, we did the protesting, and the whole world is looking at what? Is looking at people like they are playing a game. Please, this is not a game. This is our parents. Drone without plane, without a pilot. Because they send a drone without a pilot, because themselves they're scared to die. Why are you scared to die? You go to kill the parents over someone. Our life is a matter. Our life is a matter. We are human rights, human beings as anyone. We are people who have a potential. Also, this is our country. This is where we come from. So, easy mistake to be a Munyamulenge. Easy sin. Easy criminal. Somebody to come, our own government, pay another government, other countries, to call to kill his own citizen. Please, the people who understand our voice, please don't ignore, don't try to look aside, because it is our own shooting our people. No one have access to hospital. No one have, we cannot even people who are wounded to take them to the hospital. It's the people who are not have any access to any life. They have no source. They cannot. What they want to do? Please, the people who are here, it's not good. And the whole nation silent. I know genocide have happening. People try to say never again. Never again. Is it a business? Can they do under business more than that? If the people want to take a mineral, take it, but let us live like everybody. That's the most cry out. I hope someone can take an action. Human rights, United Nations, peacekeeper, people knew for sure whole world. That's most important. We are crying for help as a Banyamulenge. Right now we come to remember the man who sacrificed his own life to go to help his parents. He was killed with our own government. So what can we do? So,
thank you.
There are some young women who are widows, and others are still having their husbands who are fighting. I really thank you for your patience. May God bless you. Let me first of all thank. I am grateful for the community of Banyamulenge. I am together with these young women. Then you supported us in many things that we would require. May our God bless you so much. We are grateful for BWOKO of Nairobi, who stood with us in many things we may require. And when we face some of the challenges, we can make a phone call. May God bless you. We thank all the chairman, led by Gategeko, and all the auto defense of Nairobi, who supports us in every way that we cannot mention. You used to say that our husbands have gone because of not being able to feed their families. And also we miss whereby we can take our issues and also report it to them. It becomes a very big wound to us. Because a husband could leave a house and go. But because of the zeal of going and supporting their people, some of the people would not understand this. But this Wirira Murenge family, they've been with us. We used to call them in the morning and also in the evening. Then we used to ask them to come and pay the house rent for the people whom their houses have been closed. And also we used to ask them for food. Those men, they used to support us. They support us. I I really thank you very much. May our heaven
Mulenge record. Oh, General Makanika. Wala Mulenge. Ozali lokumu wa Sud Kivu. Opesa kibomoi na litia biso. Na mabele ya Minembwe. Okufaki mpona kimia.
General Makanika.
Hero ya Mulenge. Ozali lokumu ya Sud Kivu. Opesa kibomoi na elikia ya biso. Na mabele ya Minembwe.
Oni gitero kive mu ijuru. Mwese muzamurambika imbundi muturusa. Igitero gituruka mu ijuru. Aho ngaho twese ndaho pi. Ariko igitero gituruka ku bantu bava amaraso. Umuntu wambaye ihembe mu ijosi nagaho kimbeba. Aho. Kurumva ko nje no mutinya natanze ikigori cy'isadaka. Kinjira sansi kurukanye ikindimbo za okofu. Good. Mwana w'umufure n'umwendo wambaye amashara yanyine tukumuga mu ijosi. Habone gusutose. Ayo bamama basezera badatana tosha. Nubwo twavuga gusa ngo turarwanda ku gitaramo cy'ikabera cyangwa cyahehe cyo mu mwembe ibyo biba bihagije. So Rwanda shonyi. Kuko byararangiye ubutaka bwaririho amaso z'abagabo bagufukamyeho bagisenga bararira. Hatonyanga amasozo mu butayi. Uyu ni umurage n'umugabane. Abantu bareke guhungabana ngo ibiti zabaye.
Magambo yawe ayo wavuze ujya kugenda ntituzatega amajosi ngo bateme tugomba gupfa kugira ngo abandi babeho ntabwo twasaze ibyo dukora turabi